how to change caption on TikTok. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok, where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. Once you're on this page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Since you are on the profile page, open a TikTok post. Now, tap on the three dots from the side panel. Now, from all the options that are available here, select Edit Post. Once you are on this page, you can now change the captions directly from here. Tap on the caption bar, write a new caption. Then, tap on Done at the top right corner. Once the caption has been edited, get back to your profile page and refresh the feed. Now, open the post. You can see the caption has been edited and changed to a new one. There you go. You have successfully edited the caption on your TikTok. So by following these steps, you can easily change caption on TikTok.